pay my obeisances to His Holiness Acharya Shri Mahashramanji. Good morning to all participants, delegates, and eminent scholars present in any corner of the world. Today, my topic is on the enigma of consciousness, the nature of consciousness. The nature of consciousness is the thorniest question in philosophy, which has confounded philosophers, scientists, and spiritual leaders for generations and generations. Scientists believe that it doesn't have its independent entity, rather, it arises just from mysterious exotic physics acting inside our neurons, or it is just a function of physical matter. But Jain philosophy deals it with a greater clarity. It is termed as upyo, activity of sentient being in the form of knowing and intuiting. Anything that has knowledge, perception, sensitivity, experience can be said as conscious. The immobile sentient beings that are devoid of the ability of locomotion are termed as Thavar Jeev, which are hard to be proven. But with the progress of science, existence of consciousness in plant kingdom, that is Vanaspati Kai, is proven by famous Indian scientist Sir Jagdish Chandra Bose. But in the initial phase of his research, he even proved that metal is also a sentient being, that is Prithvi Kai. Even the idea of water consciousness, which was believed as a nascent study, gained international attention by groundbreaking experiment done by Japanese scientist Masaru Emoto. Water was kept in different bottles carrying a label with messages ranging from positive to negative. Positive messages like I love you, I care for you. Negative messages like I hate you, I want to kill you. Later on, water of these bottles were kept in deep freezing temperature on slides to form snowflakes like crystals. Results were astounding. Results were very much astounding. Water crystals with positive messages were more geometric and pleasing, while that which has negative messages were chaotic and non-geometric in shape. This shows that water, which is a kai, is also conscious. Consciousness is a vast field which included even the existence of immobile living beings. Furthermore, there are multiple questions in context of consciousness which are needed to be addressed. The first question, does the consciousness remain or vanish after death? Second question, does the karma theory plays an important role in purifying the consciousness? Thus, it shifts from one body to another. Thus, the above question and the true nature of consciousness can be very well be known by the concept of past life regression. First of all, let's understand what is past life regression. It is a method that uses hypnosis, relaxation, or meditation techniques to recover memories of past life or incarnation. They may be revealed during dreams or even spontaneously, that usually happens with children. Now the question arises, why this past life is being practiced? It is practiced because either in the pursuit of spiritual experience or a psychotherapeutic setting. In Jainism also, it is stated in order to be freed from the cycle of rebirth and death, one must one must dissociate the karmas from the soul. In order to know one's previous deeds and the karma attached with the soul, one can attain Jati Smriti Gyan, that is going backward in the past life. Even the epic journey of Sita, Draupadi, Shalibhadra, Megh Kumar, Gajasu Kumar, and Bhagwan Arishtanemi, and many more are mentioned in historical treatises which depicts how their past life had a great impact on their present life. Description regarding past life is given even in ancient Jain scriptures like Vipak Sutra, Anuttarupataka, Antakrita Dasha, Raj Prashniya, and Uttradhyan. These memories are accessed from the subconscious mind. According to Jainism, one can even recall uncountable past life of sentient beings endowed with mind. This may prove to be helpful in overcoming obstacles of the present life like fear, phobias, anxieties, and other emotional states or emotional imbalances that may have their origin in past life. Seeking and giving forgiveness to beings with whom we may have bitter experiences by retrospection in our past lives, even known as pratikraman, that is moving backward in Jain philosophy. Sometimes, even by knowing them, healing is complete and very rapid. The deep rooted, even the deep rooted philosophical question can also be known in a very practical manner by past life regression therapy. Like what we have been through, why we are here, who we are, what is our true destiny, what is the purpose of our soul, is there any true existing eternal me, that is soul. In nutshell, it makes us realize that we all are immortal beings. So death and birth are just in context of body occupied. Now we should know what does the skeptic believes of past life regression. Many skeptics believe that past life memories are the result of cryptomnesia, that is mere narration of imagination created by subconscious mind or suggestion from the therapist. But after the after the deep investigation and research carried out by Dr. Ian Stevenson, it has gained a great popularity. His research work is described in one book, Old Soul, The Scientific Evidence for Past Life, where he investigated more than 3,000 cases of possible reincarnation. Also, due to the legitimate credentials carried by Dr. Brian Weiss in this field, it is even used as a therapy in medical field for the betterment of our present life. Regression, moving to past, is mentioned in his book Many Lives, Many Masters, and progression, moving to future, is mentioned in his book Same Souls, Many Lives. And even Jayacharya, the fourth Acharya of Therapan sect, applied meditational technique to reveal karmas related to past. This realization was helpful in relieving the suffering of Kodar Muni, a great tapasvi Muni, during his Santhara. You should know what is the technique of past life regression. Maximum 45 minutes of trance induction is needed to recall past life from subconscious mind. Technique involves the subject answering a series of questionnaire while in trance to reveal identity and events of alleged or concerned past life. Thus, the true nature of consciousness and even the mystery of extraterrestrial beings, that is alien, and mystery of extraterrestrial regions can better be known by past life regression, or it may be helpful or play a supportive role. Now, I would like you to watch one video of past life regression of my subject. Please watch.
बहुत बड़ा दिख रहा हूँ।
शरीर कैसा है, कौन से कलर का है?
डार्क ब्राउन कलर का है।
डार्क ब्राउन कलर का है। और कितना लंबा है शरीर?
दो मंजिल के।
2 मंजिल जितना। और मानव शरीर लग रहा है, एकदम अलग शरीर लग रहा है।
हाथ पैर बहुत पतले लंबे हैं। बाकी
मानव शरीर के ऊपर क्या आप बोल रहे थे पहले, कैसा लग रहा है मानव शरीर के ऊपर, किसका हाल है?
कोई एनिमल्स का खाल पहना हुआ है।
हाँ ठीक। अब आप ये बताइए आपके पास क्या क्या शक्तियाँ थी?
सांप और बाज में बदल सकता हूँ।
हाँ। और ट्रैवलिंग?
ट्रैवलिंग कूद के छलांग लगा के उड़ सकता हूँ।
और आपका रहने का स्थान कहाँ था? कहाँ ज़्यादातर आप रहते थे?
पहाड़ों में, गुफाओं के अंदर।
Jari coba 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 kor coba ja ja le coba ja ra ju ja ju ja 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 ra coba ji ju va coba